Hi everyone! Thank you for watching the StructPro video tutorial. In today's lesson, we will demonstrate how to utilize the table commands. The table commands panel can be opened by clicking the table button in the StructPro menu. Before explaining the table commands, let us remind you about an important function of ETABS called the interactive database. The interactive database allows users to modify the ETABS model in a tabular form. To view the interactive database, click the Interactive Database button from the Edit menu of ETABS. A form will open that shows all the database tables available for editing. If you want to view or edit any table, simply select the table from the list and click the OK button. The selected tables will open in another window form that allows you to view and edit them. You can edit any data in the appeared table. Once the edits are finished, hit the Apply to Model button to complete the command. Please note that the interactive database command only shows you the editable tables. The non-editable, such as output results, are not shown in the interactive database. To view all of the editable and non-editable database table in ETABS, you need to click the Show Tables button from the display menu. Again, if you want to view any table, simply select the table from the list and click the OK button. Note that if the table contains output results associated with any load case or load combination, you can select the specific load cases and load combinations you want to view before completing the command. Now, let's return to the table command functions of StructPro. The table commands of StructPro allow you to automate the viewing and editing of database tables in ETABS in a much more efficient way. Let us show you how the commands works. First, select a cell in an Excel sheet, then click the Get Table button from the Table command panel. This command will load names of all database table in the ETABS model to the Excel sheet, including editable and non-editable tables. If you select only one cell for the command, only the names of the tables are shown. However, if you select two cells for the command, both the names and types of the tables are shown together. Next, we will show you how to set up an Excel sheet to sync data with a database table of ETABS for viewing and editing. To start, let's create a new sheet. Select a cell in the new sheet. Then, from the Data menu in Excel, click the Data Validation button to open the Data Validation form. Once the Data Validation form is opened, click the drop-down list of the Allowed box and change the allowed value to List. Next, click the arrow button of the source box below, then select all the cells that contain the datable table names, which were loaded from the previous step. Now, the cell that you selected becomes a list box containing the names of all database tables in ETABS. Next, select the drop-down button and choose the table name that you want to synchronize with this sheet. Once you have the name of the table, click the Assign Table Name button from the Table command panel. Once the table input form is opened, select the cell that contains the table name and click Update. Next, click the Assign Table Location button from the panel. Once the input form is opened, select another cell location in the Excel sheet. With that, the setup has been completed. Now, You can synchronize the data associated with this table name to the Excel sheet by clicking the Get Table for View button if you want to load data for viewing only, or click the Get Table for Edit button to load data for editing. Note that if the table is non-editable, it will not work with the Get Table for Edit button. You can repeat the same process to create new sheets to sync other data tables to the workbook as needed. To edit a data table, first need to ensure that the model is unlocked, then choose the table that is editable. Then, before making any changes, sync the table by clicking the Get Table for Edit button. After the table has been synced for editing, you can make changes directly in the Excel sheet. Once the changes are completed, click the Edit Current Table button to apply the changes to the CSI model. StructPro allows users to view multiple tables at the same time. To do so, first create a list of tables for viewing by clicking the Assign Multi-Tables for View button. When the table list is opened, click the drop-down button to add the tables you want to view to the list. Once the table list is completed, click the Get Multi-Table for View button to view all of the assigned tables. User can also edit multiple tables using the same way. StructPro also allows users to sync data tables based on the selected object and load case or load combination. For example, let's set up this joint reaction table to get the results for a specific point and load combination. First step is to assign the load combination. Click Loading button from StructPro menu to open loading commands. Then click Get Combo List button to load all load combination name. Next, return to the Table command panel and click the Assign Load Case button. When the input form opens, select the load combination you want to sync. The second step is creating a group of selected objects. First, create a name for the group in an Excel sheet. Next, select the point objects you want from the ETABS screen. Then, click the Assign to Group button from the Table command panel. This command will assign the selected objects to the group name you created. To assign the selected objects to the table, click the Assign Object Group button and select the group name. This completes the assignment of the load combination and selected objects to the data table. Now, click the Get Table for View button again to see the table update. This table command function is incredibly powerful. It facilitates the creation of various applications for pre- and post-processing ETABS models. For instance, with it, you can seamlessly generate a summary report in Excel, offering great convenience in displaying all significant output results. This concludes today's tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel to watch more video tutorials of our software in the future. Thank you for watching.